Hello friends, this is Jackie Williams, and today I want to share with you a series of birthday cards, all of them featuring the Celebrate You Thinlits, which are a celebration item. In other words, you can get these free with an order during the celebration period, January through the end of March. And these will also be available for purchase in the June annual catalog. So we will have these ones around for a while. Now I've paired these excellent dies, by the way, they say You, Amazing, and Celebrate, with the Picture Perfect Designer Series paper pack. Now this one is designed for celebrations and birthdays, and you see that on one side they have a photograph, and the other side there is just a happy print. It's quite a fun one, and those do come in the 6x6 size. Now I've also used for embellishment the Myths, let's see, what's it called? Myths and Magic 6x6 Glimmer paper, and that comes in white, kind of a turquoise, and a lime sort of color. And then last I used some washi tape. I used the black and white series, and then again the Myths and Magic washi tape, which is all glittery. So I started out first by just copying almost straight from the catalog. Now they used the ruched paper ribbon, but that was not available as demonstrators in the South Pacific on our pre-order. So I just ruched some of our standard ribbon, which you could do, or use the paper ribbon that's now available. So I made 4 of those out of the paper pack. And then I just started then varying it. You see, I used different color card bases, different prints, different ribbons. And then this one with the balloons. And now I've used the Amazing. And I was using in some of the enamel dots and some of these sparkly enamel shapes. And last one on that version, using the bows print. And now using some of that glimmer paper for those wonderful dies. Then I moved on to another sample in the catalog and just did some different versions of that one. You'll see, and I was using some different embossing folders. This is the new Stripes embossing folder, which is quite nice as well. So, and then some of those are a little less pink and girly. Then let's see, then I just kind of started making up my own designs, and was wanting to use some of these prints, and you can get 2 of these out of each sheet. And I also used on these ones the Tutti Frutti cards. So these are available as just a pack of, let's see, there would be 16 card bases and 16 matching envelopes in a pack. And so there you see the envelopes, and they have little fun prints on the inside as well. So that's in a really nice and easy way to make up a bunch of cards too, is to have the card bases ready to go. Then with this one, the party hats, I thought they were quite a nice long print. So again, I just used some of the glimmer paper, and yep, those are all glimmer paper, and some of the black twine, and again, our wonderful dies. So I made 8 of those. And then going on the same sort of design, I made these ones, but this time I've now added in the ones that go with this suite, the Picture Perfect Party, the little binder clips. And then here I brought in the washi tape, and then continued to use some of the glimmer paper for the dies, or for the or for a border. Okay, and then another version of those was these ones, and this time I've used the glitter washi tape across instead of the black. And then I just started playing, and I pulled out a few other colors. This lime green one looks quite nice too. So those were nice and easy, and using the clips to add a little bit of sequins and some of the twine. Whoops, there we go. Those are self-adhesive. Those are new as well, the Tutti Frutti sequins. Those are fun and easy. Now, from there, then I just had a whole lot of strips left from the offcuts. So I decided to recreate a Christmas card that I had made, and basically just made a basic white, black, white card base, and then created this card with the banners, and again the clip and the sequins and some of the new silver and white twine. And this time just put Celebrate across using the Glimmer paper. So then I could use this for my team or for birthdays. And you can see there's just some different versions of that. And then here's another color version, this time bringing in a little more of the peach. And I was just playing and trying some different combinations with all of these. And then that color combination with the berry burst, like that one. And this one with the lime and the berry, and then just an accent of black. Okay, and then the last one that I did, because I die cut a whole lot of these U's, as in the word U, it had this little circle. So I ended up with this whole pile of little circles of all the prints that I was using. So I just made this card up with just the Celebrate and then just the falling confetti and a nice big bow, just to use up all the last bits, and then just threw in a few little sequins, not sequins, rhinestones in there. So all up, I made 80 cards with this, using basically these fabulous dies, the Picture Perfect Party Pack, and then just some washi tape and ribbons and glimmer paper that I had, which are all in the annual and occasions catalogs, or you could just kind of improvise. But I think these are really versatile, and I hope that you could take some of these card ideas and use some of these amazing products and make up some of your own birthday cards. So thanks for watching, and here's a quick way to make 80. This is Jackie. Bye.